A chipotle sauce makes a great base for sauteing shrimp, and then they are assembled on a beautiful corn tortilla. Hi everyone, welcome back to Cravings and Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today we're going to be making shrimp tacos. Who doesn't love tacos? This is going to be marinated in a lovely chipotle marinade, as well as it's going to be served together with corn tortillas, sour cream, some of that chipotle sauce, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I'm going to work on a chipotle sauce. I have 1 can of Chipotle Peppers in Adobo sauce, and this is going into my food processor. This can is 186 ml, that's 6.55 fluid ounces, and I'm going to add this in. I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. Next, I'm going to add a tablespoon of salt. And I'm also going to add some powdered spices. I have 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, a half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and a half teaspoon of clove powder. I'm going to add all of these in. Throw in 5 cloves of garlic, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of agave syrup or honey. Now I'm going to give this a quick blitz. It's a little bit thick, so I'm going to add some water. I'm going to fill the empty can with water. This is going to pick up all of that additional adobo sauce. This can is 186 ml and that is 6.55 fluid ounces. I'm going to add the water in and blitz it again. Now I'm going to pour this into a pot and I'm going to boil this for 3 to 5 minutes. And this is what happens if you don't put a lid on. Make sure you have a lid on at all times and allow it to boil. And then allow it to cool. This can be used as a marinade as well as a sauce. I have 1 pound of shrimp here and I'm going to add salt to taste and 3 tablespoons of the prepared and cooled marinade. In a pan, I'm going to heat some oil and I'm just going to pan fry the shrimp for a few minutes till it's cooked on both sides. I prefer to serve these with corn tortillas. You can heat the corn tortillas by heating them on a frying pan, or my preferred method is to heat them on an open flame. This really increases the flavor profile. To assemble, I'm going to add some guac at the bottom. I'm going to top it with some lettuce, some Pico de Gallo. I'm going to add some of the shrimp, some sour cream, and that chipotle sauce. This is a perfect 2-bite taco. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings for Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for shrimp tacos together with the chipotle sauce. It is absolutely stunning. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and do share this with your family and friends so they can enjoy all of these amazing recipes as well. And make sure that you subscribe to my channel and that you've rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And make sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social media channels. I upload a ton of behind the scenes footage there. So follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.